Hello everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Have you ever wondered how to always look and feel your best at school? Today, I'll share some simple tips to help you look clean all day. Let's start. Shower. Start your morning with a refreshing shower. It's the best way to feel awake and maintain a fresh feeling throughout the day. Skincare. Cleanse your face with a gentle facial cleanser. Then, apply a moisturizer that suits your skin type for a healthy and glowing skin. Also, don't forget sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin. This step is crucial. Hair care. For long or medium hair, style your hair in a neat ponytail or braid. It's easy to manage and looks tidy. And for short hair, keep it styled simply or use small clips to keep it in place. Light makeup. Use a clear or lightly tinted lip gloss. Then, curl your eyelashes to open up your eyes. If your school allows it, apply a light blush. Clothes. Make sure your clothes or your uniform is clean and ironed the night before so you will be less stressed the next morning. Shoes. Polish your shoes regularly and always wear clean socks. This small detail can make a big difference. Nail care. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. A coat of clear nail polish can add a nice shine. You can also try very simple and cute nail art if your school allows it. Fragrance. Carry a mild scented body mist with you. Scents like vanilla, citrus, or fruity fragrances are great options. Accessories. You recommend you to add accessories to your outfit. For example, small pearl or stone earrings add a nice and clean touch to your look. Wear a simple watch will give you a classy look. Then, choose a stylish school bag to complete your look. And don't forget to bring a cute, transparent water bottle and a matching lunchbox. Personal hygiene kit. Always have feminine hygiene products in your bag. Also add in your bag breath mints or mouth fresheners. It's very important. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like it. See you in the next video. Bye.